Got the NXZ. We got the P3 Plus 2 terabytes SSD. Vengeance DDR5 RAM, B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi, NZXT 750 Gold PSU, ROG Azov, I think it's 50% keyboard, along with G502 Hero. This is the wired version. Ryzen 9 7900X. Got all these names. We're using liquid cooling, which is the H150. For the case, it's the NZXT H9 Flow, I think. I keep forgetting this. We're working with the 4070 Ti Super GeForce RTX. With that, let's get into it. I don't know if this is backwards. I don't know which. I think it's actually that way. Anyways, this is the Wi-Fi stuff, I think. Alright, gotta be real careful with this stuff. I ain't trying to slice through any of my motherboard circuits. That would not be a great start. Got the Ryzen 7900X. Beautiful stuff. So if I cut it, that means I can't replace it. I can't return it, probably. Well.
You can return it. What kind of policy is that?
Huh?
If you open it, you can't return it.
Like the seal, you know?
You need to open the seal to see if it works.
Fair. Oh my gosh, you seen this? I hear this stuff is serious. Gotta be real careful with it. They don't look like pins though.
Huh?
They don't look like pins. I thought they were meant to be like little pins. Let's just hope it fits a motherboard. Whatever.
Motherboard. Hope it's not a motherbox.
So how we do this? You're supposed to like...
Yeah, you lift up. Yeah, lift that up. And that's like the filler.
Alright, boys. This is the moment of truth. Be real gentle, like handling your first baby, but not your second. Because your first baby, you should know how to do it by then. Triangle. Matches a triangle there. Hopefully you can see that. Oh man, this is actually nerve-wracking, I ain't gonna lie. That's in. Oh, there you go. Alright. And then you close it back.
Hey, if you say so.
Hey, don't stop giving me doubts, man. Jesus Christ.
Hey, there you go, boy. Look.
That's scary as yo.
It's all creaking at the end.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks beautiful. RGB DDR5, 32 gigabytes. Obviously 16 gigs each. Oh boy. That feels like high tech. Second and fourth.
Can't even line it up properly.
Damn, bruv. That's not even close.
I can't even see properly.
Get back, bro.
I can't see.
Can't break my shit, eh?
I mean, if you're losing something, you should turn left.
Got the Crucial PS Plus. What is this? 1 terabyte? Say that? 2 terabytes. Well, look at me.
Honestly, you're gonna want more than one.
So funny. All of this is gonna be in the span of like 10 seconds.
Mounting hardware and cable ties inside the drive cable for which motherboard. Since ours is ATX, we'll be mounting it on the outer posts.
Shout out to YouTube. I mean, I'm just gonna line it up with this and hope for the best. What, they're not supposed to be like something here to like soften it or something?
Soften it?
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. No, that's good. Alright, we doing well. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. I never had any doubts, you see. Because I got the glasses. Intelligence plus 12. Remember that.
Is there plastic on that?
It looks like it, but no, I don't think so. Well, let's just hope not.
You know, plastic, you know, it's not magnetized, so if you went in with a magnet, it wouldn't stick. So that's how you know it's plastic.
When they teach you that, man. Alright, I don't know if you can see all that. It's a bit cramped.
70 Ti.
Super. Yeah, this cost me a lot.
You could have got a 50 series, bro, for the same amount of money.
Probably. At a certain time of month. But yeah, now this is the best I could do.
Just kidding. Them bitches sold out.
Alright, well. Here it's like on the cusp of high end. Or it's like high end, but the worst of the high end. I feel like that's the general consensus.
Is it?
I think so. Like 4080 is like
Yeah.
up there, and then 4090.
Yeah.
Those are like. But this is my first ever PC, like I said.
Man,
So
they'll get the job done. There's people still using like 2080s or whatever. There's people out
there you go. There you go. Alright. I got time for all this. They say to always cut away from you. I ain't doing all that.
If you can be stabbed, that's all I'm about to say, man.
That's what I'm saying. Honestly, you just need to raise your power level at that point.
I know I ain't knife level, that's all I know. What was that? Fentanyl?
Flock of plutonium. Your guess is as good as mine, brother. Oh man, just holding it feels like I've accomplished something. This looks crazy, man. I must sound like such a novice, because I am. But like, oh man, look, technology. 25th century, 2025. That's what I meant.
25th.
Imagine it goes like something like that. So I think it's these two. I'm gonna screw those out. Give myself some space to work with. Plug that bad boy in. And then we're basically done. That's a lie. That's what they want you to believe. No matter how scary it may feel, this is apparently normal. And everyone goes through this. Is that in? This is the 750 watts. I was gonna go for the 1000 and I didn't need it and it was expensive. So if for some reason I need to change it, that's not good. But alright. Oh, there's so many boxes, man. Take a look at all that.
Yeah, it's a CPU for CPU.
Yeah, but I'm looking for PSU.
We don't have that. Look at it. Looking for something that don't even exist. Like the One Piece.
That long 24-pin cable, our GPU will need.
Bro, this man is speaking Chinese. One thing I learned in Nam, keep your equipment clean if you want it to be efficient on the battlefield.
It's a crime to imitate a veteran.
Tony Stark did the same thing in a cave.
Yes, nonsense.
With a box of scraps.
Yeah, man,
So if he can do it, I can too.
3:28 a.m.
Alright, so we've that took so long. Don't really know if this is correct. I can just hope so. If you see something, comment below. Rip bozos.
CPU cooler.
That's the one. Okay. So this just doesn't fit. Replace this piece to put it in there. My surprise when I saw the liquid from the liquid cooler coming out. Definitely had my heart jumping. Because what's a liquid cooler? You have the liquid inside it, eh? It's already with the thermal paste. Smudge like. Oh, it's leaking.
3 days later.
We've been trying for like 4 hours to get the CPU cooler to turn on, the fans to turn on, the RGB to turn on. Nothing's working, so right now we're just gonna install the fan and I guess try again later. So Not looking good. Not looking good. Well, that's a start.
There we go.
Yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you. It took us probably like 2.5 hours to figure out that all we had to do was press the on button.
Nah.
The most embarrassing thing of my life, I swear to God.
6.5 hours later.
Managed to keep all the cables in like families, I guess. So if I need to ever take anything out, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. I can just, fan RGBs, motherboard, connections, PCU. That's pretty much it. I actually used double-sided adhesive to like hold him down. Not enough to keep him there forever if I ever choose to remove him, but just enough that, I don't know, maybe if the table shakes a bit, he can still, bobblehead. I saw some tips and tricks on how to optimize your PC. I went to the BIOS and I changed, there you go. I changed it from 4800 to 6000 megahertz. And actually, if I go into the display settings, I can change from 60 hertz to 165. I didn't know I had that. Love that. Just a quick thanks for watching. Shout out to all the PC builders out there. You guys make it look easy. Peace.